Welcome to the 4-minute guide to split testing with Visual Website Optimizer. Let's choose to create a visual website test. First, enter the website we want to optimize. In this case, it's a page where a piece of software called PDF Producer is available to download. In this test, we want to increase the number of downloads for that piece. Let's leave the rest of the options to the default and move on to the next step. The page will be loaded in a Visual Designer where we will design different variations of the website. Simply hover your mouse over the text and a border will appear. Enter a descriptive name for the element, which is download link in this case. We now make different variations of it by clicking on the Create Variation icon. Let's change the text download to free download. Click Preview to instantly see how it looks on a web page. We'll now add another variation to the test. It says download instantly. Okay, so now we have 3 variations. Let's do a final preview of how they appear on the website. The goal of this test is to increase the number of downloads. Simply hover your mouse over the link, click and select Define Conversion as a click here. You will see a download link is automatically added as a conversion goal. Let's go to the next step. Since we already defined our test goal in the previous page, we don't need to re-enter the goal here. Let's go to the next step for reviewing the test settings for one last time. Click on Create Test to create the test. Whoa! The test has already been created and ready to run. Notice that Visual Web Optimizer automatically notified that it found the JS code needed to run the test on the website already, so there is no need to add it again. If, however, the code wasn't there, this pop-up would have been yellow and would have said that I need to enter a simple fragment of code in order to run this test. We will let the test run for a few days and see how the test results look like. Which variation do you think would produce maximum downloads? Well, let's see. Here is the results page. Notice that the data is still getting collected. In the chart, you can see conversion rates by day. Note that a variation has a 60% conversion rate as compared to a 44% conversion rate of the default version. Let us see what this 60% conversion rate variation looks like. Notice that it has all the catchy elements: free, red, big text, etc. At the bottom of the list, we have a combination with a pathetic 16% conversion rate. Note that it doesn't have anything eye-catching. It's pretty dull, in fact. We have a measure called Chance to be Original, which says what confidence does Visual Web Optimizer have in the variation performing better than the original if used for real. That's all for now. Thanks for watching the demo. Hope you sign up and use Visual Web Optimizer on your website. Thank you.